Welcome to Zuper, the most flexible and comprehensive field service management solution introduces service tasks to streamline complex work processes. Let's dive into this walkthrough video to discover how Zuper can revolutionize the way you manage composite or complex jobs. To create a service task, ensure it is enabled for your business. If it's not enabled, you can contact us at support@zuper.co. The service task settings can be found under Configuration Settings, where you can create and manage all your service tasks. Here are some service tasks I have already added to my account. You can sort them or use filters to find specific tasks. You can perform 2 quick actions from here, editing them or deactivating a service task. You can also create any type of service task based on your business requirements. Once these tasks are created, you can reuse them in any jobs. To add a new service task to your list, click the Add New Task button. Then enter the title, description, and estimated duration for the task. Additionally, you can link each task with an inspection form, which can be created in Zuper. These inspection forms are highly useful and ensure that technicians have performed quality work at the customer's location. Finally, click the Create button to add this new task to the list. Alternatively, you can close the window if you don't want to add it right now. Before we proceed, let's explore where to create an inspection form. You can find the inspection forms under Custom Fields and Checklist Settings. Here, you'll find a list of all the inspection forms, which you can conveniently sort or filter according to your needs. Click the Add New Form button to create a new form. Enter the form name and description. On the left side, you'll find various components that you can use to design your desired form. Simply drag and drop these components to customize the form as per your requirements. Let me now open an existing form to demonstrate how it looks. These inspection forms can be linked to assets or service tasks at a later stage to enhance their functionality. You can edit an existing form by clicking on the pencil icon, or if you no longer need a form, you can delete it by clicking on the X icon. Let's navigate to the job detail page to understand how to associate a job with service tasks. You can add service tasks to a job category from the job settings available under Configuration Settings. Once you've done that, on the center pane of the job detail page, scroll down to find the section for service tasks. In this section, you'll see the service tasks associated with the current job. In my case, there are 5 service tasks linked to this job. If you haven't added any tasks yet, you can add new tasks from here as well. To add new tasks or additional tasks to this job, click on the Add Task button. You have 2 options for adding tasks. You can choose tasks from the existing lists of tasks you've created in the settings or add a custom task specifically for this job. Since I don't want to add more tasks at the moment, I'll skip this step. Here, you'll find information about service tasks, such as the sequence number, task name, task status, task description, linked inspection form, estimated duration, the option to link an asset, assign an employee to perform the task, and quick action buttons for viewing task history, cloning, editing, and deleting the task. You can use these service tasks in serial execution or parallel execution. Serial execution requires completing tasks in a specific order. This means you can move to the second task only after the first task is completed, then to third after finishing second, and so on. On the other hand, parallel tasks have no such restriction, allowing different technicians to work on tasks simultaneously. There's also a reorder button that lets you change the order of the tasks if needed. Each task can be assigned to a different technician or the same technician. Just ensure you have assigned all employees to the tasks or added to the job so they can access other critical details. Furthermore, you can link an asset to a service task. By linking an asset, you can choose whether to continue using the asset's inspection form or the inspection form associated with the service task. Ready to learn more? Watch the other video on the service task demo to see it in action, or click on the link in the description below to schedule a personalized demo and see how Zuper is field service your way.